Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have an Ipsy unboxing. So they have new packaging now. It's not the metallic pink, it's more of a baby pink. It's really pretty. I like the metallic one a little better though, to be honest. But if you guys haven't heard of Ipsy, it is a subscription box or bag or whatever that you get once a month. And it's $10 and you can go to Ipsy.com to check it out. And you get a makeup bag every month. This one's really cute. It feels like it's like pleather. I don't know, but it's like plasticky feeling, but it's cute, and it's like marble, and then it has a baby pink Ipsy zipper pull with a rose gold looking zipper. And there's always 5 items, and most of them are sample sizes, but sometimes you get a full size something something, and this one kind of looks like a full size something something. And this is Ofra X Nikki Tutorials Highlighter Glow Goals. Ooh, from Ofra. That brand has been around forever as far as I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is really, really pretty. Now I just have to learn how to highlight. But yeah, it like is very pigmented. Very. So I think a little bit will go a long way, and it's really pretty. Hopefully you're seeing that okay. And next I have a little baby lipstick. This says mini lipstick from Finding Ferdinand. How funny is that? Because I just did a video on Finding Ferdinand and I did my own color. And this is in the color Very Berry. That is funny. And I found them on Instagram, and you could customize your own color. So that's what I did, and I did do a video on that. I'll try to link it below if I remember and can figure out how to do that exactly. But I'm trying to get into it because I want to see it. But I really like the color that I made. And I like how it has the little FF on it. But I'm going to mess it up. Ooh, that's a little bit bright pink for me. But maybe it could be a nice base. You know what? Kind of looks pretty with that highlighter. I don't know. We'll see. It's not awful, but it's not, probably not my color. Probably too pink. This is Nomad Intense Eyeshadow. And I have not a clue yet what the colorway is. Henna. I actually have some that's called Henna, and I like it a lot, so I wonder if I'll like this one. I keep putting it in the same spot as but it is pretty. I like that. My henna that I have upstairs is in my bathroom is more of a glittery one, so maybe it's more like that. Gosh, this highlighter, I love it. I'm thinking I can use it underneath a lot of things. I don't know if that's true or not, but... And here is Pinky Swear Nail Resistant Nail Lacquer. Define and inspire only at Target. Beauty is our responsibility. Defy the ordinary, inspire the extraordinary. Cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny approved. And it is very pretty. It's a very nice pale pink. I don't know what to put it on. I mean, it really does go on nicely, and it's very like colored. It's matte. Let's see here. Surely I have some white paper around. I will put it on this. I don't know if you can see that very well. Maybe I should put it on some black cardstock. Yeah, that's pretty. So let's see how that dries. probably dumb to put it on my finger, so I'm just gonna make that go away. Ooh, and I have some Hemp's lotion. I do love this lotion. I don't know if it has a protector. It doesn't. It all smells really good. I love, they had a Christmas one that smells amazing. And this stuff, it's really good. It's herbal body moisturizer. This will be perfect for my purse. I use lotion like crazy in the wintertime, guys, because my hands get so dry. Is that all 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feeling, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. And then, so let's see. The Ofra Cosmetics. Here at Ipsy, we are all about celebrating your unique beauty. That's why we are stoked about this collab with makeup artist and beauty vlogger Nikki Tutorials. The powder highlighter has a peachy gold tint that makes skin look lit from within, and a super smooth texture blends out and builds up so easily. And it says, dab some on the inner corners of your eyes or the center of your lids for a touch of luminosity. And the value of this, it's full size, the value is $35. And I'm not kidding, I love it. The Fighting Ferdinand lipstick and Very Berry, an Ipsy HQ must-have. This beautiful berry lipstick is a go-to for cozy evenings, nights on the town, or any festivity in between. Plus, it keeps your lips moisturized, hydrated, and smooth on chilly temperatures, thanks to castor oil and jojoba esters. Twist the bottom of the bullet to swipe onto bare lips. Repeat for full coverage effect. It's a deluxe sample. It says the value of the full-size version is $30. I don't understand what it means by twist the bottom of the bullet. Oh, I guess it's just telling you how to raise it up, but that's a tip because I think most women know how to use a lipstick. But anyway, Nomad Cosmetics. No time for a winter getaway. Nomad Cosmetics products are inspired by destinations around the world, and this deep matte brown shade is named for henna creations found in Morocco. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The finely milled powder is made with moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for crease-proof color. Blend the henna onto your lids and into your eye crease, then smudge it along your lash lines. The value of the full-sized palette, including this shade, is $37. So this is a deluxe sample. Also a deluxe sample is the Herbal Hemp's Moisture Body Lotion. Say goodbye to dryness, flakes, and irritation because this body lotion from Hemp's contains 100% pure hemp seed oil to help soothe it all. It is full of skin-nourishing fatty acids, amino acids, and minerals to give you the smoothest, healthiest, and shiniest skin. Plus, the fruity floral scent is so refreshing. Take an extra dollop of the lotion and massage it into dry spots like elbows, knees, and heels. The full version of this product is $10.69. And it's 17 ounces. The sample size we get is 2.25 ounces. Define, Aspire, and Inspire nail polish in pinky swear. Soft, romantic, flattering, and on everyone, and always a classic. This ballerina pink shade is a staple to have in your mani kit. The long-wearing formula goes on opaque and is resistant to chips and cracks. Plus, the uniquely shaped flat round brush makes it easy to cover your entire nail in one coat. To speed the drying process, dip the nails in a bowl of ice water to 3 to 5 seconds and let them dry. Full size value is $6.99. So let's see how it looks on the black now. And it's dry, and you can still see that it's pink. So that's pretty cool on a black piece of cardstock. So I can only imagine that on your fingernail it would look really nice, and it wouldn't like blend all the way out to make it so it looked like it was clear. But I'm really liking this box. I'm probably going to give some of it to my daughter. I don't actually do my nails very much anymore. I get them done, which is, I know, probably kind of sad, but it's what I do. So But everything I like. I will definitely use the lotion. I'm going to try the highlighter. I'm even going to try the lipstick. If it's not my color, I will let Katie have it. But I also, will try this eyeshadow because I think that looks really nice. So yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you check out Ipsy for yourself because I don't think you'll be disappointed. You always get your money's worth for sure, and I love the value. So thanks for watching again, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.